Good day, everybody. My name is Ms. Mabue. I welcome you to today's Grade 10 Business Studies lessons. And for today's lesson, we'll be focusing on the topic visual aids. It says here, well-designed visuals do more than provide information. They bring order to the conversation. This is by Dale Ludwig. So well-designed visuals, they do more than just provide information. As mentioned, our focus is on visual aids for today's lesson. So by the end of this lesson, you should be able to advise businesses on how to prepare for support materials for a presentation, explain or discuss or describe the different visual aids. We've got different visual aids that we'll be focusing on, and these are the visual aids that we'll be looking at. PowerPoint or data projector or slides. We've got handouts or flyers or brochures. We've got flip charts. We've got interactive whiteboard or smart boards. We have posters or signs or banners or portable advertising stands or flags. It also says by the end of the lesson, you should be able to explain the purpose of visual aids, identify visual aids from given scenarios or case studies, pictures or cartoons, outline or explain or discuss factors that must be considered when designing a presentation. So this should be considered before the actual presentation. So as usual, we have our journey that we have to take for today's lesson. Our journey, as mentioned, is on visual aids. So we'll be looking at preparing for support materials, the different visuals, the purpose of these visual aids, and also designing and layout of a presentation. So this is what is expected of you. You should know what a visual aid is. As you seated there, I'm assuming you understand the term visual aid. But just so we can test your knowledge, let us answer here. It says, explain the meaning of a visual aid. What is a visual aid? All right, it says here, visual aids are visual material. Don't forget, visual aid has to do with what you can see with your eyes. So visual aids are visual materials such as pictures, charts, and diagrams that help people understand and remember information shared in an oral presentation. Oral, we can hear the person when they are speaking. Verbal presentation, don't forget that. So we've got our new words and language, or the new words that we'll be learning in this lesson. Right, so these are the following terms that are very, very important. It is important that you understand these terms because we'll be coming across these terms quite often in this section. Right, we've got graphs, which is also a form of a visual aid. So a graph, it's two-dimensional drawing showing a relationship between two set of variables by means of a line, curve, or bars. We've got diagrams, which is a drawing showing the appearance, structure, or workings of data in a schematic representation. You've got tables. Tables is a set of facts or figures systematically displayed, especially in columns. And then you've got audio-visual aids. It is a material or tool directed to both sense of hearing and sight. So hearing and sight, for example, a projector. But we'll hear more about this as we go on. So as mentioned, this is our journey that we'll be taking, but for now we're going to go on a quick break, and when we come back, we're starting off with our journey on preparing for support materials under the topic visual aid. I'll see you just now.